Guys, good to have you back for another video of Service Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can reset the service indicator of a Mercedes EQC electric vehicle. We have a service indicator over service PH overdue, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at that channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars, some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start right away. First step is to have the ignition on in the first position, just the electric parking brake indicator on. Then we're gonna find the trip area, press it, have the total odometer visible. Then we're gonna use these two buttons. Use the return button for 3 seconds, and after 3 seconds double tap the menu button like this, 1 2 3, and you'll see that we have entered the surface menu area. Then we're gonna press the ignition on, go to assist plus, go scroll down to full surface, confirm full surface, surface carried out, just another confirmation, have it done, this a last confirmation, and as you can see we now have the indicator reset it. Have a look, just do a check, go to surface, assist plus, and you'll see that the next indicator is now due to 25,000 kilometers. This was an EQC 2020 surface indicating trick. I hope it helped you, and hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.